Hello everyone. Now we have study about the subject CE 8395 Strength of Material for Mechanical Engineers. Unit 1 Problems on stress strain deformation of solids. So we have solved about the problems on steel bar with varying cross section problem. So today we have discussed about the topic based on steel bar with varying cross section problem. This is the course outcome for in this unit. After successful completion of the student should be able to apply the various stress and strain relations introduced in different material due to tension and compression. The knowledge level of in this unit is K3. So problem based on varying cross sections. A steel bar 900 mm long and its two ends are 40 mm and 30 mm in diameter. The length of each rod is 200 mm. The middle portion of the bar is 15 mm in diameter and 500 mm long. If the bar is subjected to an axial tensile load of 15 kN, determine stress in each section, total elongation or extension. So you have read the problem one or two times. That is also you can understand the given data. So once again I will read the problem. Listen. A steel bar 900 mm long. So the length of the bar is 900 mm and its two ends are 40 mm and 30 mm in diameter. So two ends diameter is 40 mm, 30 mm. The length of the each rod is 200 mm. So the two ends rod is 200 mm. The middle portion of the bar is 15 mm in diameter. So the middle portion of the bar is 15 mm diameter and 500 mm long. If the bar is subjected to axial tensile load of the load is tensile load 15 kilonewton. Determine stress in each section. So we have find out the stress in each sections. Total elongation or extension. So we have find out also total elongation of the bar. So that is a given diagram. Listen. So first portion is AB. Second portion is BC. Third portion is CD. So the AB portion diameter is 40 mm. BC portion is diameter is 15 mm. CD portion diameter is 30 mm. The load will be acting on tensile load. That will be a pulling load. Okay. Then the length of the section AB is 200 mm. Length of the section BC is 500 mm. Length of the section CD is 200 mm. That is the data of the diagram. Next we have write the given data. So what are the data? You can understand the problems and diagram. You can write the data. First of all, you can write the diameters. So diameter of section AB 40 mm. Diameter of section BC 15 mm. Diameter of section CD 30 mm. Length of AB 200 mm. Length of BC 500 mm. Length of CD 200 mm. Length of AD, that is the total length of the bar 900 mm. Load P is equal to 15 kilonewton. 15 kilonewton. Next, we go write the find value. What are the find values? So first one, we go find out the stress in each section. Stress in each section. Second one, total elongation. Total elongation. So we go find out the total elongation. So stress in each section means you go find out the stress in AB, stress in BC, stress in CD. We go find out total elongation. We go find out the total elongation of the bar. That is change in length of the bar. So formula used, stress is equal to load by area, sigma is equal to P by A, unit is Newton per millimeter square. Next we will find out the elongation. So elongation formula del L is equal to PL by AE, unit is mm. So elongation unit is millimeter. Next, first of all, we go find out the stress at section A. Stresses section A. So stress at section A, sigma AB is equal to formula load on AB is equal to area on AB. So we apply the formula sigma AB is equal to 15 into 10 power 3 divided by 4 d square. Now we apply the diameter of the section AB 40 square. Stress on section AB is equal to sigma AB is equal to 11.9 Newton per millimeter square. So first of all, we go find out the stress on section AB 11.9 Newton per millimeter square. Next, we go find out the stress at section BC. So formula, that is also same formula will be using. Stress is load by area. So stress on BC is equal to load on BC divided by area on BC. So that is also we apply the values. Stress on BC is equal to 15 into 10 power 3 divided by pi by 4 d square. So the diameter is section 2 diameter will be you are using. That is portion on BC diameter 15 square. So the value of stress sigma BC is equal to 84.8 Newton per millimeter square. So we go find out the second portion stress. Next we go find out the third portion of CD. So the formula stress on section CD is equal to load on CD divided by area on CD. So we apply the formula P by pi by 4 d CD square. So we apply the diameter of the section CD. So what happened? Sigma CD is equal to 15 into 10 power 3 divided by pi by 4 30 square. So stress on CD is equal to 21.22 Newton per millimeter square. So we have find out the three portions stresses sigma on AB, sigma on BC and sigma on CD. Next we have find out the total elongation for varying cross sections. Next we have find out the total elongation for varying cross sections. So formula of elongation del L is equal to PL by AE. So the total elongation varying diameter for the given subject del L is equal to P into length of AB divided by area of AB into Young's modulus plus P length of BC divided by area of BC into Young's modulus plus load into length of CD divided by area of CD into Young's modulus. So you can see this, the load and Young's modulus will be common for all the three portions. So you can take it outside of the bracket. What happened? Change in length del L is equal to P by E, close the bracket, length of the AB divided by area of AB plus or minus length of the BC divided by area of BC plus or minus length of the CD divided by area of CD. So the load will be a tensile load. So you have take it the sign is positive sign. So you have applied all the given values in the inside of the formula. Del L is equal to 15 into 10 power 3 divided by 200 into 10 power 3 into 200, that is the length of the AB divided by area of the AB plus 500 length of the BC divided by area of BC plus 200 length of the CD divided by area of CD. Next we have apply all the area of the portions. So the formula of the area of the portion AB is pi by 4 DAB the whole square plus area of the BC pi by 4 DBC the whole power square plus portion CD area pi by 4 DCD whole power square. So we have apply all the given values inside the formula. So del L is equal to 15 into 10 power 3 divided by 200 into 10 power 3, close the bracket, 200 divided by pi by 4 40 square plus 500 divided by pi by 4 15 square plus 200 divided by pi by 4 30 square. So you can simplify all the values. So we got the del L is equal to 0.075 into 0.159 plus 2.83 plus 0.283. So we have simplify these values. So you got the change in length del L is equal to 0.245 millimeter. So the unit is millimeter. So we have find out the total elongation. Change in length del L is equal to 0.245 mm. So the reference textbook R.K. Bensal, Strength of Materials, that is Lesmi publication. The another one books U.C. Jindal, Strength of Materials, Asian Books Private Limited. Thank you.